Hi everyone, so in today's tutorial we'll be making this beautiful jewelry box or a storage box out of this tin chocolate box. And before moving forward, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the notifications of new videos I post almost every week. So let's get started. Now to make this project you need a tin box something like this. Then decoupage paper. I've recently purchased it from a website called Itsy Bitsy. Then I'm using acrylic gel medium this time. Then you need a sponge brush, gesso, varnish, some chalk colors and pearl stickers. So if you're watching decoupage video for the first time, the first thing and the most important thing you should know is you have to make your base of white color. If you don't have gesso, you can simply take acrylic colors and make your project complete white so that you can stick whatever you like. Now this time I'm using this decoupage paper. We call it rice paper as well. If you don't have decoupage papers or decoupage napkin, so you can always take some pictures from old magazines and stick it on your projects. So here I'm using this transparent sheet and I'm going to spray some water on my decoupage paper. By spraying water in the decoupage paper, it will make it really nice and it will easily stick on my storage box. Now start applying acrylic gel medium on the base and pick up your decoupage paper and stick it like this. With decoupage paper, this is the best part, that it's not that delicate like decoupage napkin. And for the acrylic gel medium, if you don't have that, you can simply make it at home by using Fevicol and water, 200 grams of Fevicol. So you have to mix half, like 100 grams of water in that. Now take off extra paper with sandpaper. So once that is done, for the base I am not using any decoupage paper. I am going to simply color it with two chalk colors. I am going to mix them together and try to make the same color of your decoupage paper. So first color I am using is chalk color pink ballet. This is also from Itsy Bitsy. Start dabbing the color. And the second chalk color I'm using here is a walnut green. And here I'm using little bit of black and brown color to give it a vintage look. Apply the same color on the decoupage paper as well so that both the color will match with each other. And once you're done with the coloring and shading, now we'll seal each and everything with the decoupage glue. So after your glue is dried, you can now apply varnish all over. And now we'll start decorating the box. I am using these pearl stickers. And if you don't have this pearl stickers, you can also use this 3D cone. This will also give you the effect of pearls. So our beautiful storage box is ready. Now you can see each and every detailing. This has come up really classy. And for the inside of the box, I'm not doing much this time because this box is already in a very good shape, and you can see the colors are almost same. So you can also try this at home, and do let me know how did you like this video. And thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. And if you're new to our channel, I've already made so many decoupage videos. You can go and check out them, and do subscribe our channel and watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.